Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Hana Nailul Muna. On this occasion, I will discuss the journal entitled Understanding Consumer Acceptance of 3D Printed Food in Japan. Okay, then we will go straight to the summary. This study investigates how Japanese consumers perceive 3D printed food technology. The research identifies factors that influence their willingness to buy this innovative food option. The findings reveal that social media plays a key role. People who actively use social media tend to be more environmentally conscious and have a more positive perception of 3D printed food's benefits. This in turn increases their likelihood of wanting to purchase it. Additionally, a general interest in trying new foods is a positive factor influencing purchase intent. The study highlights an interesting indirect effect. Consumers who are environmentally conscious are more likely to perceive 3D printed food favorably, particularly due to its potential to reduce food waste. This suggests that emphasizing the environmental benefits of 3D printed food can be a powerful marketing strategy in Japan. Overall, the research provides valuable insight for promoting 3D printed food in the Japanese market. By leveraging social media and highlighting the environmental advantage of this technology, food companies can increase consumer acceptance and drive market adoption. Next, problem statement. The widespread adoption of 3D printed food technology is hindered by the lack of consumer acceptance. While 3D printed food offers promising benefits such as reduced food waste, personalized nutrition, and sustainable food production, consumers remain hesitant to embrace this novel technology due to low awareness, concern about health risks, and skepticism towards new food production methods. There are 6 hypotheses here. Hypothesis 1. Social media usage positively influenced to perceive food benefits. Hypothesis 2. Social media usage positively influences to environmental consciousness. Hypothesis 3. Environmental consciousness positively influences perception of benefit. Hypothesis 4. Interest in novel foods positively influence purchase intention of 3D printed food. Hypothesis 5. Interest in novel foods positively influence the perception of benefit. Hypothesis 6. Perception of benefits positively influence purchase intention. This research is quantitative because for data collection, this research conducted an online anonymous survey accessible from August 3rd to August 5th, 2022, targeting residents of Japan. From the response gathered, 1223 were valid, comprising 614 male and 609 female participants. This research categorized the age distribution of participants from 20 to over 60 years old in 10 years increment and allocated them based on the population distribution ratio. Finally, there is the conceptual model. As seen in the conceptual model, there are 6 hypotheses previously mentioned which are interconnected in the journal. So, the discussion about the journal entitled Understanding Consumer Acceptance of 3D Printed Food in Japan has been completed. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.